We'll take you for a little walk. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, Kentucky. We'll go to the back. Go to the back. Yeah. Okay, so you went. And now we got a sheriff. Isn't this funny? Come on. Sheriff. This way. This way, honey. Bella.
Do. Look.
And I think I got their license plate.
Oh, good.
This was,
There's a triangle on the other one, on the other banana.
Yep. And, yeah, because I got a visit
Here.
from your perps.
Here, look. That's sliced.
Yeah.
So now what they do is, they're weaponizing you. They want to make it look, here, look.
Oh.
These are all new bananas.
Yeah. Look at that. That is a V.
That is a V.
I don't know if it's going to show up on my body
Yeah.
cam. It's a little blurry.
And look at this. So they scratch them here.
Yep. Yeah.
Like,
yeah.
how would that get scratched underneath here?
Right.
So these are all green. These are green bananas.
Right.
They're not ready to eat yet, so they should not look like that.
Got into my RV, sliced it all up. Jesus. God.